We'll guide you through how to connect your smart TV to your mobile hotspot. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do because perhaps your internet has gone out or the Wi-Fi just isn't working and you still want to be able to watch your favorite TV shows and movies. Well, what you can do is you can go and use your mobile. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how it can be done, covering it for both Android and also iPhone. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So what we're going to need to do is go and navigate to our TV settings. This varies a little bit depending upon the TV. I'll try and keep this broad. So come onto the remote. In some cases, you may go and have a settings button on the remote. On this TV, I don't. If you do though, you can tap on it and the settings should open. Otherwise, you can go and press the home button. And then what you can do is you go and scroll down the home page and hopefully you'll go and find settings. For example, on this TV, I need to go over to the left. So I can press the left arrow. It will open up. In some cases, you may need to go to the top and we can go and scroll down or scroll across and find the option for settings. Select it and then go and open up. Now, just before we get any further, let's now come onto the phone. So what we're going to need to do is go and set up the hotspot. We're going to go and start on an iPhone, but I'll also guide you through on an Android as well. So it's actually a really easy process. What you need to do is come and open up your settings. In settings, you want to go down and go and find the option for personal hotspot. It's not far as you can see. Do just consider that you are going to be using your data, so make sure you've got plenty. What you can do is go and press personal hotspot. Now, what you need to do is make sure allow others to join is switched on. You can go and see the password there. We'll need that in order to go and connect to it from the TV. I also go and have this switched on here, maximize compatibility. If it is switched off, well, you may go and get a faster connection. It won't always go and work. So I have that switched on for now. You can always try turning it off later and see if it still works. So that's how it can go and be turned on the phone, on an iPhone. And if you're wondering what it's called, you can actually go and see it's going to be called GuideRealm Phone 1. And the name that it uses is the name of the iPhone. So if you want to go and change the network name, you can scroll down, go into About, or General first, sorry, then find About, and you can go and find name at the top and tap on it to go and change it. Now, let's go and do this on an Android. So as you can see, here we are. What we're going to do here is we need to go and find settings. So you may have it on your home screen, or you can swipe up and find it, or you can either go and search for it at the top, and we can open it up. Go and find connections at the top, and you can go and tap there. Now, what you need to do is you need to go down and find the option for mobile hotspot and tethering. So you can go down and find that there, and you're going to find mobile hotspot at the top. Now, what you can do is we can go and tap on it, and you can see the name. So this is called Galaxy A23, the name, and you can go and see the password there. Now, at the moment, the band is set to 5. Though I usually would say go and just have this set to 2.4, as that is more of a common one, as it may not go and support 5. Usually it will, but just to go and basically for most compatibility, 2.4 is better. 5 can be better for performance, but you can always go and test that later. But for now, let's just go and get this connected. So then what you can do is go and switch it on at the top like so. I have to go and turn off Wi-Fi, and that's it. So that's now going to go and be switched on. And then you've also got it switched on the iPhone as well. So now what we can do is we can come and return to the TV. We'll have to come back to the settings. In settings, you need to go and find the internet settings. So because it's like internet, network, connection, we can scroll down and find it. We can then go and select it. And then we've got network in connection. Then what you can do is go and press network configuration. At the moment, I'm connected to my GR Wi-Fi. But I can see my iPhone because that's called GuideRealm Phone 1. I showed you that before. And I've also got the Samsung here, which is the Galaxy A23. Let's go and say I wanted to go and connect to that. I could go and click on it. I'll then be prompted to enter in the password. And after I've done that, I'll be able to go and press connect. And I showed you where the password is on the hotspot page. Now here is the iPhone. I've actually connected to it before it says save. So I can go and tap on it again really easily. It's got the password entered already. I'll press OK, and now it's connecting. And as you can see, that's it. I'm now connected successfully and I'm now using that hotspot there. That's it. So now I could go and press the home button on the remote and I'm now going to be able to go and start browsing Netflix, iPlayer, whatever I want. That's it. If you found this useful and want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.